What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to look at a boom and crash strategy, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make an analysis this coming week, right? But before we do that, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. If you also enjoy this type of videos, kindly hit the like button, support me with the YouTube algorithm, right? So I know each and every Sunday I post a winner for the VIP access group, but unfortunately last Sunday I did not post any video, so there is no winner. But if you want to stand a chance to win VIP access for my signals, comment down below what you think is going to happen to these 4 indices that we're going to take a look at, and the winner gets free VIP access for a whole month. Okay, with that said, let's jump right into today's business. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use this boom and crash strategy, and I'm going to show you guys what to expect this coming week. Okay, let's start off with boom 500, and currently we're on our daily time frame as usual. So we're just going to highlight some key important price zones that we can see on our charts. Okay, so obviously we can see that we have a nice resistance zone up there, and you can see that we also have another important zone which is there, and you can also see that we have another critical price point down there, and then lastly we have this zone, right? So from these charts we can currently see that price bounced right on the top of the resistance zone here and came all the way down this support level, and from an analysis we can see that price broke this support zone, turning this support zone to the new become the new resistance zone, and this to become the new support zone, right? So we can see that there is this momentum, there is this high downward momentum as price is pushing down. We can also check this out in our 4-hour time frame and see how exactly price was behaving. So from the 4-hour time frame now, we can see that we had a nice channel like this, and price just broke out of that channel. This represents a very strong bearish momentum. The moment you see price breaking out of a downward channel and actually going down, means there is high momentum, right? There are no pullbacks, which means the bears are strongly in power. If they were not strongly in power, you would see some pullbacks and then price going back down. But if you see price breaking a channel like this and heading towards the direction of the channel, it shows strong momentum, a downward trend. So we're going to place our sell trades right at this zone, and our target price is obviously down there, right? This is our target price from what we have analyzed on. Okay, so let's move on to crash 500, see what we have. I'm still in the daily time frame for crash, and again I'll still start by highlighting some major price points like this zone. Is very strong with our first bounce, second, third and fourth, right? Again we have another one here, first bounce, breakout, second bounce, breakout, which is very important, and then lastly we have this zone down there. Okay, I'm also going to try and draw a trend line that I see that price is following, something like that. And at the bottom right here, we also have another trend line to form a clean channel. So at this juncture, we can see that price has a strong bearish momentum, and placing sell trades will be the next best move. So I'll be entering some sell trades for this crash 500. The good thing is we'll also be going in the direction of the spikes, and we are most likely going to benefit from the high impulse that the spikes have. Okay, so this was quite easy. You can also check it out in a 4-hour time frame for those that want to trade on smaller time frames for quick returns. Again, we have the same situation as from Boom 500. We have a downward channel, and then we see a breakout out of that channel which shows strong momentum, a downward movement, right? So this confirms our sell setup, and all you have to do is just now place the trades because there's high momentum within our sell trades. Okay, moving on to crash 1000. Again, we're in the daily time frame, and this time I'm going to start off by highlighting to you a channel that's about to be formed, right? You can see that price has been moving in this channel, and we've had a lot of ups and downs as we're going. So we have this short channel that doesn't have much impact, but from that channel again we want to highlight our highs and our lows, or our important price zones, which is apparently these lines that I'm drawing right now, these zones that I'm drawing. And yeah, then lastly we have this top zone right there. So as you can see, we have some weird candlesticks on crash 1000 right now, because can you look at the type of candlesticks that we have and the type of wicks that we have? There's a lot of indecision in the market, but from the price point that we're coming at, I can see that we're still trying to push up. We're pushing up because we're in this channel, and the next best move will obviously be to enter into some buy trades for crash 1000. Why? Because we're coming off from a support zone, heading towards another resistance zone, and probably heading towards this top trend line. If price keeps on pushing up, again we have the benefit that our channel is pointing up, so buy trades will become more and more important, right? And then lastly, we're going to look at Boom 1000. And Boom 1000 had a funny experience for the past 1 month, but currently we're still holding on to some sell trades, where this top peak as our maximum. Now we had another price push down, came back up to set a new low. At this point again, price pushed down and up to set a new low. So from this only, we can tell that price is pushing down for Boom 1000. Why? Because it's now setting higher lows, right? It's now setting higher lows. The trend is now tilted, something like this. It's now tilted, pointing down. So yes, you might experience maybe a retracement or a push upwards, but sell trades will be paying more than buy trades for Boom 1000 over these coming days. Why? Because we already have this ceiling, which is our blue trend line that you see right there, this will become the ceiling for 1000 as it pushes down. So we will never be able to surpass this point, but we'll keep on moving downwards to show that we're in a downtrend. Right, so that's all for this week. You can come and join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. You can also join our VIP group, VIP mentorship group for one-on-one trainings. Until next time.